Now, let me show you what these look like, okay? Typically, when I put in gold, it's like its highest form of support and or resistance, right? So gold to me, right, like the gold standard is where there's probably going to be a hard bounce or a hard level of resistance. Now, where do I get that? I typically get that from previous days or where it kept happening over and over and over and over and over, which then means it's critical. And as you guys know, it will use it forever until it finds a new level to become a new high or a new low of, right, that resistance and or support. So you can see gold is critical. I knew at gold, everything's going to happen. And you can see here, all of this and this, all of this, and this. Do you see a pattern?